morning. Wow, really, oh, we had a good sleep, didn't we, mate? How did you find it?
Bad.
It's pretty cold today. But this tent is absolutely brilliant. This is a Van Gogh Delta 300 Plus. I'm not sure how old it is. I don't know if a friend that's only used it once. It's the best tent I've ever been in. It's absolutely brilliant. Plenty of space. Really held up well as well, because it was absolutely thrashing it down. It held up perfectly, dry as a bone. Ample space as well. Ample space. So yeah, can really fit a very comfortable two.
I kept saying no, shut up.
You did, didn't you?
Yeah,
So we're gonna get a kit ready. We're gonna start making our way over to Snowdon. So guys, we've just arrived at the car park. We haven't gone to Penny Pass. We've just come about a kilometre away because it's so busy there. And I was told it's about £10 to park there as well. And there's a lay-by about just a kilometre away from that. As if you're coming from betws-y-coed, there's a long stretch of lay-by, and it's £4 to park here all day, so it's perfect for us. But we're all ready. Kit's ready. Zach's got all his kit ready. We've got matching coats because this coat is absolutely awesome. And
the sun is coming out, which is great.
looks exactly like his winter climb. So
I know.
we're going to head down here along that path, and we're going to start making our way to do the climb on Snowdon. So I've gave us about 8 hours to do it for the little one, and let's see how this goes. We've just walked up from the car park, not Penny Pass, as I said. We're about a kilometre away, and if I just turn this round now, you'll be able to see the path that we followed from the road car park. It's like a lay-by, and then you follow it along the road, and then you go through a gate, and then you follow this path shown all the way to Penny Pass car park, and then
We either Danny went the other one, I went the other one, but it's not split. It's just like there's a big rock, and then you can just go whatever, but it's still really close to Daddy.
yeah, so it's not a bad walk. It's about a kilometre, so it certainly gets you ready for it.
So guys, we're just having a rest, so I'm super tired. I wish I could go to sleep right now.
I think we haven't got that far, but it's just demanding on their little legs. So I'm giving him plenty of breaks so we can make it to the top. So guys, we're over half the way up Snowdon now. The first half is really flat, it's like a road really on the miners track, and then as you start to get round, it starts to climb. Pretty intense for kids, but we're okay. We've had plenty of stops. The views are absolutely fantastic. But all in all, I would say, are you having a good time, Zach? Yeah, it's just the weather that's got to us a bit, that's all, but what can you do? It's Britain. don't it? Always rain in Wales as well. So, no offence.
We've just got almost at the top now. I'm about halfway there. I'm so tired.
All in all, it's not a bad walk really for him. As long as you're there, holding him, or her, he'll be fine. It's pretty much waymarked as well, because it's used regularly, and it looks like this.
My hands are absolutely frozen. So guys, if you come up to the top, really sketchy around where you try to get up to the top. It's so sketchy that I can barely get my feet on it. It just keeps slipping everywhere. It's tiring.
Just starting the long walk back now. Hopefully it shouldn't be too bad this time going back down. We'll see. How are you feeling, buddy?
Pretty cold.
Pretty cold. So guys, we're literally halfway down the mountain now, and if you look up, it is clear at the top. Sorry, let me just get that up. Yeah, it's clear at the top now, so well, clear-ish. A lot clearer than what we went up then. So it's a shame really, because we'd have got some nice views at the summit, but it is what it is. We've had a good climb, haven't we, Zach? I think we're both just ready now to get to the bottom. And have a nice...
to the car and have like a 10 hours sleep.
So we've made it back to Penny Pass car park. The pig track was it was quite challenging for Zach, but we've had a great time, haven't we, mate? And all we need to do now is just make our way back down to the car, another kilometre, and then we're done. But what a fantastic walk it's been. What do you say, buddy? What do you think you've done? How do you think you've done? Did you enjoy it? You tired? Yeah. Come on. So we have just finished our climb today, and I'm not joking. This boy has been absolutely amazing. 7 years old, and he's done really well. We took the Miners Path up, and we took Penny Pass back. It was hard, Penny Pass. I'm not gonna lie, I was shattered. So he was hanging. He had wet feet. You're feeling a lot better now, aren't you, buddy? He's just tired, and so am I. So with that said, I think it's a fantastic climb to do for children. Personally, I will just go the Miners, followed by the Miners, and back down, and that's it. But overall, fantastic. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.